Welcome back, children. Please open page 1 of your primary mathematics. Today we will do unit 1. Topic numbers up to 9999. In this page, we'll be revising the previous concepts, the concepts which you have already done in your second standard. Let us play with numbers. These are some houses here, and these houses belong to some children. Like this house belongs to Rohit, this house belongs to Nitya, Deepak, Neha, Vicky and Sonal. And children, all these children who live in these houses have their house numbers. Each child has a house number. Just like we have house numbers, similarly, these children also have house numbers. Let's see what's Rohit's house number. His house number is 246. Nitya's house number is 862. Deepak's house number is 471. Neha's house number is 399. Vicky's number is 571 and Sonal's house number is 148. Now let's see what we have to do with this. House numbers of some children are given here. Write the number names of their house numbers in the space provided. The first one is done for you. Now here, children, child's name. The name of the children are written here. Their house number is written here. And then this side, you have to write the number name of the house number. Like the first example is done for you. Rohit, his house number is 246. And here the number name of his house number is written 246. Let's do the second one. Nitya. What is Nitya's house number? Her house number is 862. So let's write here 862. And here you have to write the number name 862. Deepak. What is Deepak's house number? 471. Let's write here 471. And then you have to write the number name 471. Neha. What is Neha's house number? 399. So write here 399 and then the number name 399. Vicky. What is Vicky's house number? His house number is 571. So let's write here 571 and the number name here 571. Sonal's house number is 148 and then we write the number name 148. Now let's go to page number 2. Now let's read question number 2. Write the house numbers of the following children So children, now next one. Let's again see. Rohit's house 246. We are finished with Sonal's. So we put a cross here. Let's see with Rohit's house 246. 862, 471 and 399. Again now children, whose house is second smallest? It is Rohit's 246. Now the next number which is bigger than 246 is Neha's 399. Let's go to 399. After Neha's house, whose house number is bigger? Deepak's house number. It is 471. And Nitya's house number is the greatest of all. So here we have the ascending order of all the children's house numbers. Let's go to the third question. Arrange the house numbers of the following children on the given abacus. Again children, you know how to do abacus. Let's do. Rohit. Now what is Rohit's house number? It is 246. Let's write here 246. Now let's quickly write the place values. This is ones, tens, hundreds. And to show the digits on the abacus, what do we have to do? We have to draw beads. So in the ones place, we'll be doing how many beads? 6 beads. 3, 4, 5, 6. In the tens place, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And in the hundreds place, 2 beads. So we show 246 on the abacus. Vicky. Now Vicky's house. What is Vicky's house number? Vicky's house number is 571. And children, you have to refer to the previous page to see Vicky's house number. Now let's again write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. And now draw the beads. In ones place, 1 bead. In tens place, how many beads? 7 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And in the hundreds place, how many beads? 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Good. Now let's show Deepak's house on abacus. Deepak's house number is 471. Let's again write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. Let's draw the beads. In ones place is only 1. In tens place, 7 beads. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And in hundreds place, how many beads we will draw? We will draw 4 beads. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now we have shown all the house numbers on abacus. Now children, let's do question number 4. What is 1 more than the house number of Rohit? So what is Rohit's house number? Rohit's house number is 246. And we have to find the number which is 1 more than the house number of Rohit. So if Rohit's house number is 246, then what is 1 more? 1 more means plus 1. If we plus 1 to 246, what will we get? We will get 247. Now let's go to question number 5. What is 1 less than the house number of Deepak? Now here we have to find a number which is 1 less than the house number of Deepak. What is house number of Deepak? Deepak's house number is 471. Let's write down here 471. So one less means minus 1. And 471 minus 1 will give us 470. Number 6. How much more is the house number of Vicky than Deepak? Now we have to find the difference. How much more is the house number of Vicky than Deepak? So what is Vicky's house number? Vicky's house number is 571 and Deepak's house number is 471. So what is the difference? How much more is Vicky's house than Deepak's house? It is 100. See, 571, 471. So the Vicky's house is more by 100. Number 7. Find the sum of the house numbers of Sonal and Nitya. Sum means plus, addition. We have to find the total of the house numbers of Sonal and Nitya. Now let's do the totaling here in the corner. Sonal's house number is 148. Let's write down here 148. And what is Nitya's house number? Nitya's house number is 862. It is 862. Here we have to add the both. Here we put the addition signs and now we are going to add them. 8 plus 2 will give us 10, 0, carry up 1, 4 plus 6, 10 again, plus carry over 11, carry over 1, 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. So the sum of the house number of Sonal and Nitya is 1010. Let's write down here 1010. Now let's do question number 8. Write the name of the child whose house number is the smallest. Now children, whose house number is the smallest? For this also you have to refer to the previous page. Now the child whose house number is smallest is Sonal. Whose house number is the greatest? The child whose house number is greatest is that of Nitya. Write Nitya here. Number C. Greater than 500 but less than 800. Whose house is greater than 500 but less than 800? And that house belongs to Vicky. Vicky's house is greater than 500 but smaller than 800. So we write here Vicky. Now who's the child whose house number is between 350 and 450? So we have to find the child whose house number is between 350 and 450, and that is Neha's house. So children, do this work very neatly in your book.